Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
I am Vaspa and she is.
Madhura, and we have brought this amazing fun-filled game for you all. Name of this game is
Concept tree. Entire classroom will be divided into two equal groups, and from each group we will be calling two students. Time, four students can play this game.
one child will making a question depending upon the grade, and the another child placing an answer depending upon the answer. So, motive of this game is revise basic concept.
So, Madhura Miss, can you please take two of your favorite numbers and show me the addition?
Yes, my favorite number is 4,312 and my other favorite number is 2,231.
Can you please show us the addition, the answer?
Yes, the addition of this answer is 6,543.
Wow, you have got correct answer. So let me give you one heart. This I'm going to stick it here, and this is for your team.
Okay, thank you, miss.
Now, can you please tell me, is it an even number or odd number?
Is it in an odd number because the last digit is 3? So this question we asked to our team member.
Okay, so can you please take two of your favorite number and show us the subtraction as well?
Yes, my favorite two numbers is there 600 and 100. So I will put the 600 is up and the 100 is down. So my answer is 500.
Wow, again that's the correct answer. But may I ask you one question? Why this 600 has not been placed here? Why it is up?
Yeah, I told before you because the 600 is a big number. So in the subtraction, we always keep the big number up and the small number down.
Oh, is it? Can you please give us the answer as well?
500 is the answer and 500 is an even number.
Wow, you know everything, baby.
Thank you.
But this, can we do it here as well?
Here in the addition, there is no need to do big number up and the small number down. If you put the big number up as well as small number up, then answer will be same 6,500.
It means it satisfies order property, right? You
Yes.
mean to say that? Wow,
Yes.
great. Can you please show us multiplication? Take two of your favorite number and
My
show me the
favorite
multiplication.
number is 22 and 2. So my answer is 44.
Okay, again, this is the correct one. So, okay, I have not given you a star for this. So this team, sorry for that. So this team is getting 2 hearts. Okay, now what's the answer for this?
44 is the answer.
Okay, can you please tell me any multiple of 44?
Yes, the multiple of 44 is 88.
Okay, take this and stick here wherever you want, whichever place you like.
Yes.
Oh, wow, this team has got one more heart. Please take two of your favorite numbers and show us addition as well.
Yes, miss. This is the 525 is my favorite number and the 5. So the answer is 105.
My God, you have become mathematician. You know all the answers and like you entire class is awesome. Everyone is giving the perfect answer, whatever is being asked. Okay, so please stick the answer.
I stick this answer is in the odd number because the 5 is there.
Okay, may I know the factors? Any one factor can you please tell me?
Yes, the factor of this 105 is the 5.
And why is it?
Because the 5 is divisible by 105.
Okay, 105 is divisible with 5.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. So here it goes. It means even this team has got 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to ask you more questions so that we can just decide the winners.
Okay. So all 4 basic operation can be solved in this concept tree. We can place this tree on the classroom boards as well as in any wall of the corridor. So student can use this, play this game in the recess as well as they get time.
So here there is one surprise factor which is coming. We have come out of this model as well. This is just to stick on the wall and wherever you want and you can just have fun. This model is very cost effective. This students can make at home and they can bring in the school. If they want, they can play at home as well. See here we have given very attractive sliders. So whichever number we want, we can just slide and do it.
So we can use this for the multiplication tables. Suppose here I put the 21, 22, 23 and 24, and then down there is a signs, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and here I put the strip of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 21 ones are 22 ones are 22. If they want to play them for the table, so 22 twos are 44, 23 threes are 66. So this way, this model they can use easily in the desk, and they play with the in the pair. So this game can use from the grade 1 to 5, starting from the 1 digit by 1 digit, and it goes on and on.
So appreciation is there, learning is there, engagement is there, everybody is engaged, entire class, whatever questions we are asking based upon these operations, like prime number we can ask, composite number we can ask, even or multiple factors depending upon the grade and level of the children, we can ask these questions. Entire classroom will be engaged, they will be enjoying, we will be appreciating them with the help of these hearts. So I think this is like a complete mathematics machine which can be used in the classroom to revise our concepts.
Thank you, everyone.